Hey guys, and welcome back to our Pearl Lemon YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to be diving into the world of work and exploring a topic that can be a bit daunting, which are employment tribunals. So whether you're an employee, an employer, or just someone curious about workplace rights, understanding what an employment tribunal is and how it works can be incredibly helpful. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, what is an employment tribunal? So an employment tribunal is an independent judicial body that deals with disputes between employees and employers. It's essentially a court specifically designed for workplace issues, offering a fair and impartial way to resolve problems without going through the traditional court system. Let's now get into the different kinds of issues that the employment tribunal helps with. So the employment tribunal usually covers a wide range of workplace concerns, and this includes matters concerning unfair dismissals. So this is when you feel that you've been fired without a proper reason or following the correct procedures. It also covers matters concerning discrimination. So this can be based on race, gender, age, disability, religion, sexual orientation, or any other protected characteristics. It can also help with matters concerning whistleblowing. So if you feel that you've reported a wrongdoing at work and face negative consequences, you may be able to have a claim. It also deals with matters such as breach of contract. So this could involve issues like unpaid wages, unauthorized deductions, or not receiving promised benefits. It also can assist with matters regarding equal pay. So if you're doing the same job as someone else but getting paid less because of your gender or any protected characteristic, you may be able to issue a claim. So now that we know what an employment tribunal is and the different kind of issues that the employment tribunal may assist with, let's get into the next step as to how to actually make a claim to the employment tribunal. So before you actually head out to the employment tribunal, there are usually steps you need to take first. And the first step is making contact with ACAS. So ACAS is the Advisory, Conciliation and Arbitration Service, and they sort of just offer free help to resolve workplace disputes before actually going to the court. So they can help you negotiate with your employer and try to reach an agreement. So ACAS basically offers early conciliation. So this is basically a mandatory step for most claims where ACAS would intervene and try to mediate a settlement between you and your employer. However, if things doesn't go as planned in ACAS and if things are not sorted, you need to approach the employment tribunal, and this is where number 3 comes in, submitting your claim. So if early conciliation fails as discussed, you can submit a claim to the employment tribunal online using the E1 form. However, there are strict time limits for making a claim, so you need to be sure to act quickly. So what actually happens at an employment tribunal hearing? So employment tribunal hearings are usually less formal than traditional court proceedings. So you will present your case to a judge who would listen to both sides and make a decision based on the evidence. You can represent yourself or be supported by a lawyer or trade union representative. Let us get into the last step now as to what are the possible outcomes of an employment tribunal hearing. So as you know, there are several possible outcomes depending on the specifics of your case. So number 1, your claim may be upheld. So if the tribunal finds in your favor, you may be awarded compensation such as a back pay, reinstatement to your job, or even damages. Number 2, your claim may be dismissed. So if the tribunal finds in your employer's favor, you won't receive any compensation nor any reinstatement of your job. And number 3, a possible settlement can be made. So in this case, both parties may reach a settlement agreement before or during the hearing. So there you have it, guys, the basics you need to know about what an employment tribunal actually is. So remember that employment tribunals can be complex and daunting, but hopefully this video has helped shed light on what they are and how they work. Remember, you have rights as an employee, and if you feel that you've been treated unfairly, an employment tribunal can be a valuable tool for seeking justice. So thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more legal tips and advice. Till the next video, bye!